I love this bag. For me, having a little bag that has organization is what it's all about. This is $19.90. What you're able to do with this, okay, it's a sack swap purse organizer for $19.90. I can put my phone there. I can put my sunglasses here. I even have, check it out, a little coin purse here that you can pull out and a spot right here to put my ID in, so you never have to fumble through your purse looking for your ID. So this is all done right there. Okay, in the inside, and it's got a magnetic closure on it, okay? So magnetic closure. Inside, you have a full-length zipper compartment. I know it's hard to see there in the black. And then in the middle, you can actually, see how you just stretch that out? You just push that down, and now you're going to have, again, on the side, pocket on the side, pocket on the other side. If you wanted to just use this as your little bag, absolutely. If you want to put this, drop it inside another bag and just switch it out every time you change purses, then you can use it that way as well. $19.90. Here are my three colors, okay? I have it in the gray, I have it in the zebra, and then I also have it in your bronze. So this is silver, this is zebra, and this is your bronze. It's soft, it's supple. I love that it has a handle. So if you want to use this, this is my bag. I'm carrying this. I just want a little something. But what this is meant to do is really just drop right into your bag and then just change it out if you want to. 1990-547-413, your item number, customer pick on hsn.com. Love it. Even comes that extra little coin purse. Okay, my producer, Ann, is just like me. She's a freak about handbags. So she saved one surprise for us for the end.